Hello my dear students, today we're going to answer a model test based on what you have learned in your book New Hello. Are you ready? Let's go. Question number 1. Finish the following dialogue. You need to read the title. Fatma is at school with her friend Lamia. You are asked to provide statements and questions. You look worried. Yes, I am very worried. I'm afraid that I can't find my book. So Fatma said, what is the matter? Yes, it is. Thank you. We're discussing the book in my book club. So Fatma asked the question. Let me see if I can help you. Is this it? Yes, I would love to come. Thank you for inviting me. So Lamia invited Fatma, saying, would you like to come to my book club? The last one, okay, I'll be there at 5. So Lamia said the club starts at 5. Let's move to question number 2. You are given 3 situations. Write what you would say in each of the following situation. Although you lost the game, you congratulate your opponent. What do you say? Well done. You want to invite your friend to your house this Saturday. How can I invite my friend? I say, would you like to come to my house this Saturday? You see a person looking under their car. You want to know if they need help. You need to ask that person if they need your help. How can we say that? Have you got any problems? Question number 3. As you can see, we have a paragraph and questions based on this paragraph or passage. Read the passage first, word by word, very carefully. You extract most, if not all, the answers from the text. Many experts think that people first played rugby in 1823. At this time, students at rugby school in England were playing football. Then a boy called William Webb Ellis took the ball in his hands and ran towards the opponent. This made a new game. To score in rugby, teams have to run with or kick the ball to one end of the field. The ball is oval, like an egg. You have to be fast and strong to be good at playing rugby. Many players who can weigh about 100 kilograms are very big. Today, rugby is very popular in many countries. About 100 countries play the sports. However, it's not as popular as football. More than 200 countries play that sport. Before you check the answers, try to answer on your own. What's the main idea of the passage? What sort of person do you need to be in order to play rugby well? Why do you think that William Webb Ellis decided to take the ball with his hands? An oval is, of course, a shape. Rugby got its name from a school. Question number 4. Question number 4 is based on our story Black Beauty. Take a minute, read column A and B and try to match, and then we're going to answer together. On your left, Joe Green, John Manley, the factory driver, Mrs. Jordan. On your right, was angry with Joe for taking care of Black Beauty, reported the rude driver to the police, had to move to a warmer climate, took a note to Dr. White, hit the horses with a whip. Okay, Joe Green reported the rude driver, John Manley, took a note to Dr. White, the factory driver hit the horses with the whip, Mrs. Jordan had to move to a warmer climate. Question 4b is also based on your story Black Beauty. As you can see, number 3 and 4 are critical thinking questions, meaning you are asked about what you think or your opinion You state your opinion and explain why or how. Why did John ride Black Beauty to another village during the night? Remember that chapter? Yes, Mrs. Jordan was very ill, so John needed to find the doctor. What happened to Black Beauty after he returned with the doctor? It was a very difficult ride for Black Beauty that night. Black Beauty was very tired and hot. Joe tried to help, but Black Beauty became ill. Do you think that John was right to have a helper who is only 14? The given answer here is yes. You have the right, of course, to disagree. You can say no, but give me a good reason. Why do you think that the driver of the carriage near the factory was rude too? The answer suggested here is perhaps he didn't like being told what to do by a young boy. If you have another good reason, please go ahead. Why did the doctor ride Black Beauty instead of his own horse? Because the doctor's son had the doctor's horse, so the doctor rode Black Beauty. Shall we move on? Question number 5, choose the correct answer. 6 sentences, each one has 4 options. Blind means that you cannot see, shows being with ing. My neighbor is a teacher, sometimes help me with my English. We choose who because we are referring to a person. What did you do before you come to school this morning? Choose have to. This morning refers to the past tense. We use did, and after did we use have to or the infinitive form of the verb. Who's you in the tennis competition? The person you are facing in the competition is of course your opponent. Hassan's father said that the car was difficult too because it was raining. Control. The teacher asked me to the books to the class. We choose hand out, which means to give to our colleagues. In question number 6, rewrite the following sentences using the words in brackets. You are given 3 sentences. You are going to rewrite using the word between brackets. Tar is very good at tennis. He is good at basketball too. We know that we use furthermore to add more ideas. Tar is very good at tennis. Furthermore, he's good at basketball. It's not necessary to get up early tomorrow. It's holiday. Have to. You always replace necessary. This is in the negative form. We use don't. We don't have to get up early tomorrow. It's a holiday. Do you have a problem? We rephrase using matter to give the same meaning. What is the matter? The last question is write a paragraph, 7 sentences. You are given 2 topics. You choose one of them. Make sure you do not make any spelling or grammar mistakes. Revise your paragraph after you finish writing it, and make sure that the handwriting is clear enough. Thank you for watching this video and have a lovely day. Thank you.